Hello and welcome. I was struggling to get my Pwnagotchi booted in manual mode, so I connected it to the USB data port to my Windows machine, but it was always booting in auto mode. So I was looking around a little bit with Google and I found several recommendations like replacing the USB cable by another one because some cheap cables do not support data transfer, or at least users experience issues with that. But I tried several different cables and still experienced that issue. So I noticed that for my device, Windows is not recognizing the driver, the RNDIS Ethernet gadget driver is not found. When I try to automatically install it, it fails, and that seems to be the cause why my Pwnagotchi is not booting in manual mode. So one solution is to install the driver manually. So usually you already have it on your hard drive as part of the installation. We just have to show the operating system where to look and how to install it. So let's wait until this automatic installation fails, which it will do now. Okay, driver cannot be installed because it was not found. Okay, then let's install it manually. Search on the computer, pick from a list of drivers, then we select network adapters, and then we go down to Microsoft Corporation, and here we have a remote NDIS based internet sharing device. Proceed. It is not recommended to install this driver, blah blah blah. Install it anyways, and now it was installed successfully. And now we have that driver here, and now after reboot I expect that my Pwnagotchi is now booting in manual mode. So stay tuned. So I now disconnected it and reconnected it, and now I wait for the boot. Now, after we installed the driver and rebooted the Pwnagotchi, it finally booted in manual mode. So good job, that's what we wanted to achieve. Now we shall see a new network adapter, which we can configure to be able to reach the Pwnagotchi. So here we have the new adapter, remote NDIS based internet sharing device. Right click, properties, and then we can assign a IP version 4 IP address. The Pwnagotchi itself has the 10.00.2 address, so we can use any other 10.00 address. So let's take the 200 subnet mask 255.255.255.0, but it's not so important. Gateway and DNS are not needed to reach the device. And then we shall be able to ping the Pwnagotchi. So let's try this. Ping 10.0.0.2, and we get feedback. And now we can connect to the Pwnagotchi with either HTTPS in the web browser or with SSH protocol, and for example with the PuTTY application. So let's connect to it via browser first. We need to enter the IP address of the Pwnagotchi, which is 10.0.0.2 as stated before, and we have to add the port 8080. The Pwnagotchi asks us for username and password, which are by default change me and change me. And then we are connected to the Pwnagotchi, or in my case the Pwnagotchi. So we see here it is in manual mode. And yeah, here we go. We have the same representation as we have on the display. And you can also connect to it with PuTTY, so with the SSH protocol. So let's try that as well. IP address is the same, 10.0.0.2. And then we are again asked for username and password. And then via SSH we have to use Pi as username. And the default password is Raspberry. And here we go, here we are connected to the Pwnagotchi. That's all for that video. So that's one way how to fix the Pwnagotchi not booting in manual mode. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in further Wi-Fi videos, please subscribe to my channel. I will upload many more videos in the future. Bye bye.